Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the strength of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of April 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.69. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this assessment to see how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decreases within this trend. The ongoing 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 14% over the next 3 months, with returns projected to fall between -20% and -9%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a change of nearly 12%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might range for around 6% to 33% over the coming year. In present terms, this would place the future price between $513 and $542. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for VOO as ETF Downgraded to Sell Candidate." The VOO ETF price decreased by 2.2% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, dropping from $494.09 to $483.23. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 2.83%, reaching a low of $478.23 and a high of $491.77. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.88% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the ETF, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should ideally align with the ETF's movement. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 174,000 shares, with a total of 6 million shares being traded for approximately $3.02 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price stands 14.31%, or $80.67, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the S&P 500 and the broader market have led to notable bearish sentiment, particularly affecting the exchange-traded fund known as VOO. Market analysts, including Paul Ciana from Bank of America, have embraced a tactically bearish outlook following the S&P 500's recent death cross. This term describes the 50-day moving average falling below the 200-day average for the first time in 3 years. Such a technical signal often indicates weakened momentum and raises concerns among investors regarding potential short-term declines. With U.S. indices, including the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and Dow Jones, drifting lower, investor confidence may face further challenges. The S&P 500 has been noted for losing momentum, reinforcing a cautious approach among traders. In light of this situation, ETF flows have been examined for potential trends amid the market turmoil, revealing a shift in investors' strategies in response to prevailing conditions. Considering these factors, short-term pressures could lead to a decline in VOO's price as investors reevaluate their positions. The long-term effects will hinge on market stabilization and any signs of recovery in economic indicators. Investors may want to keep a close watch on future trading patterns and liquidity flows, which will be essential for navigating the current turbulent market landscape. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April 2025, and thus far it has risen 5.8%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The VOO ETF currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $485.89 and $511.37. A breakthrough above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which decreases overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 36 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $465.52. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $13.54 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.83%. During the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 2.75%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $494.16. If you do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $465.52. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. This exchange-traded fund has received a negative evaluation, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. We project that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this ETF from a hold or accumulate to a sell. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of April, we anticipate that VOO will open higher by $1.18, beginning trading at $484.41. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.